How do flamingos stand on one leg for hours? Let's dive into the fabulous world of flamingos. Flamingos get their iconic pink color from their diet of algae and shrimp. These social birds love to hang out in huge flocks, sometimes thousands strong. With their elegant long legs, flamingos can wade through deep waters to find food. And that one-legged stance, it helps them conserve body heat. Flamingos are adaptable and resilient, thriving in some of the harshest environments on Earth. From their synchronized dance to their unique feeding habits, flamingos are truly fascinating creatures. So next time you see a flamingo, you'll know there's more to this bird than just its pretty pink feathers.